according to a recent tweet, everybody. Um, Potentially, Mappa Studios could be attempting to translate all of Chainsaw Man Part 1 into its upcoming anime. Um, now, obviously, guys, with how most anime versions are treated now, most shows nowadays, uh, for their first season, usually only give from 12 to 24 episodes, and I do want to stress again that 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 this is only a rumor going around right now, but again, uh, but again, a tweet that's been going around does in fact suggest that that Mappa, again as I said could potentially try and adapt all of Chainsaw Man Part 1 into the upcoming show that we have now. Now, now I'm going to have to agree with Another Word on this one. For them to transfer all of Chainsaw Man Part 1's material into the upcoming show, whatever it consists of, I do feel like it is going to need longer than just your standard 24 episodes. Maybe something like 40 or 65 or something. But then again, as most of us know, that that's usually just not how the television broadcast industry works nowadays. I mean, just for an example, season 1 of the new reboot of iCarly is only getting 13 episodes for its first season back. Now again, something like Chainsaw Man is completely different than iCarly, but 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 the only reason why I am probably why 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 Chainsaw Man season 1 would need to be more than the usual normal count of episodes now is because if that tweet is true and they truly are going to make an effort to give us all of part 1 of the manga and whatever it entails, I just feel like it is going to need more than the standard, most likely 24 episodes. So again, everybody, Chainsaw Man season 1 could potentially try and adapt all of Chainsaw Man's manga material that is available at this time. Although also at this time, again as I said, that's just a rumor. But 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 again, we'll have to wait and see. And all I can say is, come on, Chainsaw Man dub. Have a good weekend, everybody. Happy 4th of July, and keep on rocking. Denji, the time's almost here. Don't screw up, Mappa.